Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today, November 25, after 11 am, a sell signal generated. It's a sell call. So, red color candle open, sell at 43,370. That straight white color line is our entry point line. Below red color line or target line, first target is more than 108 point. That is 43,261. So, our target need to break out more than 108 point, and second target is double of the first target range. Above line is the stop loss line. Every day in live market, it will automatically produce signal like this in live market. Today, November 25, the opening momentum was gap up market. It's a positive start, and from open point itself, all time new high only 43,300. It opened gap up above, and market was positive market up to 10 am, and then some volatile. After 10:30, market was in continuous downside momentum. During downside momentum only, sell call generated. Let's wait and see how this sell call will work out in live market. Right now there are two candles forming. Let's wait and see the complete market. After 30 minutes of the sell call volatile, finally it break out the first target range. Within 10 minutes of the sell call generated, market it has breakout 100 point movement. As you can see, within 10 minutes it break out 100 point, but it required more than another 5% to break out the first target, but it took some time to break out the first target, and after 11:40 it finally break out the first target. 120 point downside momentum given. This is Bank Nifty weekly option, 43,500 put option, coming week expiry option chart. 449 buy call generated, and market move all the way up to the 540. So like this only the direct option chart will looks like. You can directly watch the option chart and get the calls, or you can directly watch the future chart and pick whatever the option, whatever the premium you can afford, place the order also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.